Kamai Bharat hapo ka Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport kan penlong ya kan Nasha Mukti Yuva for Viksit Bharat Sankap Abhiyan dakathong ban penlong ya ka India kabalat na utrak Nasha Muk Bharat. Habakran Shakila Patai Kubor ka Linda BK Sangma State Director Mai Bharat Shillong kalayathu bahaka arterik minta ubanai o Menteri Rangba Adu Kari India o Narendra Modi un sakaran yaki samla hakaleng kari hapo ka jingalap jong kari. Kalau ong bagani kejingkiran jang umodi kan penyeso ya kumba shipau hajar teli ki jaka bad banyak renru hadu palat shikulur ngut ki samla lengba kamet bad kejingya shimbenta da kaktin. Kibanya shimbenta haka arterik hasilong ki day ka Mai Bharat ki Sengnyam Mai Bharat NSS youth clubs ki school ki college ki university ki seng bhalang bat ki seng karkhana. Kalau ong bagani kejengyalap kalong ban yarap iki samla ban kiar bat yakun persha ya udrok bat ban senyang syaka Viksit Bharat arpo saupunyo. Hagani kejengyalap kaban long hakeleng kari ki baya shimbenta kinshim ki jingkular Nasha Mukti pledge ban pelat yalade na kejingti ya udrok bat ban aimen sim pat yakiwei. Kalayathu bahasilong kani kejingalap kanlong hayeng jang ulat kejela kaban sedang nadu kapor shipau beji mistep hakaba ki babun kin sawanya shimbenta lingba ki program bapher.
Mai Bharat Meghalaya, Gov of India, Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. So respected our medias from different media groups. Today we have to do this press conference for tomorrow's 2nd August program because Prime Minister's visit is going on in Governor's House, Rajbhavan, Meghalaya. So our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi will virtually address youth from across the country on 2nd August 2026 under the Nasha Mukti Yuva for Viksit Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan, a nationwide initiative of Mai Bharat, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, aimed at mobilizing young people against substance abuse and promoting a healthy, responsible and drug-free lifestyle. With the view that Mai Bharat, under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, is organizing this Nasha Mukti Yuva for Viksit Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan with the vision of creating a drug-free India. That means Nasha Mukti Bharat. On 2nd of August 2026, our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji will virtually address youth from across the country under this nationwide campaign. The program will connect approximately 10,000 locations and engage more than 1 crore youth through physical and virtual participation. Youth from Mai Bharat spiritual organizations, Mai Bharat NSS, youth clubs, schools, colleges, universities, NGOs, and industrial associations will participate in this program. To mobilize youth against drugs or substance abuse and contribute towards the vision of Viksit Bharat at the rate 2047. Participants across the country will collectively take the Nasha Mukti pledge and commit themselves to a drug-free lifestyle while inspiring others. The event will launch a 100-week nationwide Sandhya campaign featuring regular sports, cultural fitness, meditation, awareness, and commitment engagement activities. District program venues will also organize walkathons, sports and fitness events, meditation sessions, cultural programs, awareness rallies, nukat natak, street plays, and signature campaigns. And more, apart from this, district-wise Nasha Mukti competitions also going on. Citizens, especially youth, are encouraged to take the e-pledge on the Mai Bharat portal. Appeal to all the educational institutions, youth organizations, NGOs, civil society organizations, and citizens to actively participate in this campaign. encourage the media to provide wide publicity so that the maximum youth participate in the Honorable Prime Minister's virtual interaction and district level activities. So we are having here in Shillong is in Raj Bhavan, our Governor's house, tomorrow at 10 to 10:30 a.m. Thank you everyone. Thank you for